Uy, it's been a while na last nakahawak ako ng compact na flagship smartphone. This is the Vivo X200 Pro Mini. What's nice dito sa kanya, despite na maliit siya, it's packed together with a very powerful chip ni MediaTek, which is the Dimensity 9400. Tatlong 50MP na camera meron niya, which is co-engineered with Zeiss. And despite na maliit ang kanyang form factor, it comes together with a 5,700 mAh na battery. Good news, silicon carbon na siya. Ito na nga ba ang daily driver? Ito na ba dapat ang iyong next daily driver? Pag-usapan natin in full detail after this quick intro. So today guys, wala tayong unboxing dahil nahiram ko lang is just the phone itself and the jelly case. Pati charger, di ko nga nahiram eh. So pasensya na, wala tayong unboxing for today. And ito Vivo X200 Pro Mini na may 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage, currently priced at around mga 45,000 pesos. Pero pagdating sa sale, ang baba mo siya makukuha. I was quite surprised that it can go as low as 38,500 pesos. So don't forget to follow me sa aking Facebook page dahil nag-update ako ng mga presyo from time to time. More details on the description box below kung saan na siya pwede mabili. Now, pagdating sa form factor, I love it kasi ang liit niya and it reminds me a lot ng mga small form factor na phone ni Xiaomi, which is the Xiaomi 15. I'm not too much of a fan ng Xiaomi 15. Maybe I feel na hindi siya ganun ka-sturdy enough just to be in my hands. But this one, iba ang masasabi ko dito. Dahil yung feel ko dito, feeling flagship phone. And ang nipis lang din niya at around 8.2mm thick. Ang bigat niya, 185 grams. Magaan, sobra. Compared to sa X200 Pro, this is definitely a lot lighter. Despite malaki ang kanyang sensor, hindi malaki ang kanyang camera bump. Now, ang likod nito is a glass back finish, aluminum side frames, and a scratch and drop resistant na glass. Ang tawag niya sa kanya is armor glass. Not sure kung shot alpha siya. And another thing to like is manipis din ang kanyang bezels. Design category, 9 out of 10. Now, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, this one is being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400, which is a flagship na chip na meron ni MediaTek, and it was able to score me a 2.56 million points dito sa Antutu benchmark. This is the breakdown score na nakuha ko. Ito ang score na nakuha ko sa kanyang CPU benchmarking sa Geekbench, and ito naman sa kanyang GPU benchmark. 6,000 kanyang loop score and 51% stability sa Wild Dive Extreme, and medyo erratic din ang kanyang thermals and it throttled to 79% ng kanyang best performance. Now, one of the good things dito is pinalaki ang kanyang battery at 5,700 mAh dahil silicon carbon na siya. And it comes together with a 90 watts na SuperBook charger and it also supports 30 watts na wireless charging. On a day-to-day basis, walang problema naman if you want to last it for a whole day without charging, kayang-kaya naman ito tumagal. And nung ginawa ko siya ng manual testing dahil twice nag-fail sa PC Mark na battery stress test, it gave me a 12 hours na screen on time based sa 50% brightness and 60Hz na screen refresh rate. This one has a 6.31-inch na LTPO AMOLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate, 4,500 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness, and meron din siyang 91% na screen-to-body ratio. One thing siguro na medyo mabibitin ka if you come from a bigger phone like I do, mabibitin ka sa screen size niya. I always come from mga 6.8-inch na screen size and down to a 6.3, medyo bitin nga talaga sa akin. Plus, as you know, if you're following me, mahilig ako sa mga curved display. This one only has a flat na display. So, medyo hindi lang ako masyado happy kasi hindi siya curved screen display. And by the way, this one has a IP68, IP69 na dust and water resistance, which can probably let you take photos underwater. But please, 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 don't try it at home. And sasabihin din sa inyo ng mga service center, water damage and physical damage, void ang warranty. So, be warned. Another thing is, wala rin siyang eSIM dahil China ROM siya, but mabilis naman mag-install ng Google Play Store dito sa kanya. And this is probably one of the first ever na China ROM phone na napatakbo ko ang Android Auto. I was surprised nung tinry ko siya sa aking Auto and gumana ang Android Auto. So, that's a good news moving forward para sa mga gumagamit ng China ROM na gumagamit din ng Android Auto. Now, if you're the type of person na mahilig mag-scroll sa social media, expect a really good experience dito dahil maganda ka ng screen. Siguro one thing na masasabi ko sa inyo is medyo nabitin lang sa kanyang size dahil sa smaller form factor, but nevertheless ang kanyang display is definitely top-notch. This one also has a level 1 na Wi-Fi security level. You can watch just any HD content on this phone, but kung nanonood ka naman ng mga videos dito on YouTube, expect na magandang kanyang color resolution, sharp ang video, and punchy din ang kanyang color. So good sa kanyang display. Now guys, this one has stereo speaker. Isa sa ilalim and the other one is coming here from the earpiece. Check lang natin kung malakas ang kanyang sound.
But you've been so out of touch, little but you way too much.
Malakas ang kanyang sound na, that I can say. Now, naglaro tayo ng several games dito dahil this is a flagship phone and napalaro ako ng maraming titles dito. I played Honor of Kings, Firelight 84, Wuthering Waves, Call of Duty Warzone, and Call of Duty Mobile. Pagdating sa Honor of Kings, maning-mani lang ka ng gameplay dito dahil I was able to set it to highest graphical settings na pwede dito sa kanya and the gameplay was really smooth. One thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa kanya is yung kanyang color resolution dito is very punchy ang kanyang color and yung sound niya is quite good. The controls was really responsive and I have no problem dito sa kanya. Wala rin ako na-feel na frame drops or anything along the way. And hindi siya mainit Umabot lang siya ng just 35 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. Pagdating sa Firelight 84, equally said din dito sa game na ito, sinagad-agad din na natin ng graphical settings and it was able to give me a really nice game dito sa kanya. And medyo napasarap ang laro ko rin dito sa kanya dahil I was able to play for an hour and several ranked matches ang ginawa ko dito sa kanya. And honestly, hindi rin siya masyadong mainit after an hour, umabot lang siya ng near 37 degrees Celsius. Pagdating sa Wuthering Waves, this one I would say na okay ang kanyang graphics. I was really surprised na it can handle Wuthering Waves without any problem. Siguro meron siyang kunting lag na hindi ko masyado napapansin. Pero habang naglalaban tayo naman with a big boss, it was able to give me a really good gaming experience dito sa Wuthering Waves. The control was really responsive. I like the graphics dito sa kanya. And pinakamainit na na-achieve niya is 40 degrees Celsius. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Warzone, sinagad-sagad ko rin ng graphics dito. And surprisingly, not bad ang ng gameplay. And to my surprise, nakapaglaro din ako ng 30 minutes dito. And to my liking, na okay ang kanang touch response. And maganda rin ang sounds dito. I have no problem with it. Very minimal ang lags dito sa kanya. So, expect mo to give you a really good gameplay at the highest graphical setting. Though it's a little bit hot at around mga 43 to 44 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. Call of Duty Mobile, wala kang maging problema dito. Dahil sobrang smooth ang graphics nito and gameplay was really good. After 30 minutes of gameplay, umabot siya ng 42 degrees Celsius. Now, pag-usapan na natin the highlight dito sa phone, which is the camera. Co-engineered with Zeiss, this one has a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, 50MP na periscope telephoto lens with up to 3 times optical zoom, meron din siyang OIS by the way, and 50MP na ultra-wide lens with 119 field of view. Meron siyang Zeiss T-lens coating, and meron din siyang laser AF ni Zeiss Optics. This one can shoot you up to 4K and 120 FPS. And kanyang front camera is a 32MP na shooter which can shoot you up to 4K and 60 FPS as well. Nasimulan natin ang ating camera review with some outdoor shot. Nung unang pagpasok natin sa Manila Zoo, this is the first shot that I got. This is a normal shot, a 2 times, and a 3 times zoom. Now, I would say na medyo iba ang color ng 2 times versus sa 3 times. I think mas maganda pa ang 3 times zoom na color compared to sa kanyang 2 times na medyo, I think, medyo mas overexposed sa araw. But this is probably a better shot for me, personally. Now, habang naglalakad ako, I was able to take quite a few mga animal shots. So, this is a peacock. And makita natin ang ganda ng pagka-capture sa kanyang tail dito. And further taking more shot, may mga zebra tayo na capture, which makita mo ang ganda ng details ng kanyang skin. And nakunan din natin ng picture yung vicinity kung saan napapahinga yung zebra, where they run around. Now, nakakuha din ako ng crocodile shot. Makita mo ang clear ng kanyang skin. Now, this is just a normal shot. Though alam naman natin marami nakakalat sa street ng Metro Manila. And here's another one of them. This is a close-in shot sa mga turtles. And I love the way na pagka-capture dito sa kanyang photo. Really nice. Now, one thing na gusto ko rin sa Vivo X200 Pro Mini is magandang mag-capture ng mga portrait shot. And I asked my son to take me a photo and maganda naman output nito kahit non-pro shooter ka pa. And here are some duck shot na nakuha natin. And pag zooming mo sa kanila, it looks still very clear. This is one of my favorite shot dito. And sobrang clear nito kahit nasa loob siya ng glass. Magandang pagka-capture dito, though medyo kulang lang ng lighting. And this monkey shot is also good, though medyo shy lang siya. Now, this is a 3 times zoom shot na kinuha natin while I was walking. And nakita ko nag-open ng tails tong peacock na ito and I immediately took a shot. And it was clear, really. Taking some quick flower shot, expect naman natin very clear ka ng camera. And this butterfly shot is probably one of my favorite shot dito sa camera. So nilaro din naman natin kanyang different lenses. Is a ultra wide shot, 1 times, 2 times, 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, 60 times, and 120 times zoom. So, still clear, digitally zoom na siya pero still clear pa rin yung word na BF and yung mga numbers dito. Now, taking some indoor shot, you will be able to get some really nice na food photography dito sa kanyang camera. As long as maganda yung lighting, you'll be able to take some really nice yummy food dito sa camera ni Vivo X200 Pro. And further showing you some more food shot na talagang mapapalaway ka talaga sa ganda ng pagkakuha dito sa Vivo X200 Mini. And taking some apparel shot, pag zoomin mo, kitang-kita mo yung fabrics niya. Now, nung gabi na, I was able to take some nice snaps dito. Kaya medyo madilim na, no? It was able to enhance din yung ganda ng sky to make it a little bit more clearer, and pati mga lighting sa street looks quite good. Now, trying to take a portrait shot while on the coffee shop, makita natin clear na clear. Zoom in mo, there's details pa rin sa kanyang mukha. Unlike the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. Now, kung selfie naman ang pag-uusapan, equally nice din ang kanyang camera. It was able to get me some really nice na selfie shots. And honestly, kitang-kita pa rin mga details na aking mukha. So, I was really satisfied with yung kanyang front-facing camera. Kahit nasa indoor ako, still, very good pa rin mga na-capture ko dito sa kanyang camera. And talagang mapapahanga ka dito sa camera ni Vivo X200 Pro Mini. And kahit gabi na, no, though medyo mas soft na pag gabi, but still, it was still able to get some really nice, decent shot pa rin at night. Now, kanyang rear camera will be able to get you some really nice shots. And clear na clear ang mga video dito, no? Kahit laruin mo mga zoom lens, talagang okay na okay talagang camera ni Vivo X200 Pro Mini. And this is probably one of my favorite na video na na-capture ko dito sa unggoy na ito, na still looks very sharp. Kahit nag-zoom na tayo ng 3x zoom. Now, while strolling inside the mall, kahit di ganun kaliwanag ang ilaw, I was still able to get a really nice video from the front-facing camera. Now guys, sobra akong hype dito sa phone na ito. Despite it being smaller, medyo sanay ako sa mga flagship phone na it's a little bit heavier, mas sturdier, you would grow to love this phone dahil sa kanyang capability, be it sa camera, sa gaming, or just simply using it as a daily driver. I simply love this phone. Tinatry ko hanapan siya ng flaws, pero parang wala akong makita ng flaws except siguro pag hindi ka sanay na ganun kaliit coming off from a big phone, maninibago ka talaga sa kanyang screen size. Plus, hindi siya curved screen. So, medyo a little bit down sa akin yun. But marami naman sa inyo ang hindi naman mahilig sa curved screen display. For 45,000 pesos, this is definitely way better than the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. And pag bumaba siya ng 38,000 pesos, and it's still even better than a Reno 13. Kaya guys, is this the next flagship phone na dapat niyong bilhin? Honestly, I would highly recommend itong Vivo X200 Pro Mini. If you're interested to know kung saan na pwede mabili ito, I'll post everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.